this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if the system UI isn't responding on your Samsung phone. So you can see this option right here. Now what we first want to do before we get to this section is hold down the power button and the volume down. Whatever button is closest to this power button we want to press down. So let's hold this down at the same time and do this for about 10 to 15 seconds and that will restart your phone. So you'll see this power menu, or it might take a screenshot. Just continue to hold that down now. And once you force restart your phone, another thing that you could try if it's still being a little bit glitchy or slow is go to the top, go to the power button, and just go to the power menu right here and go to power off and hold this down. And launch your phone into the safe mode menu. Maybe you have some sort of virus, or maybe there's a big update on your phone that's really slowing down your phone. So once we get everything launched up now, and we have some sort of access to our phone, or maybe we're in the safe mode menu and things are running a little bit better, we can go on down to apps now. So we can go to apps and then scroll down. Actually, at the top here, we have this option. We can sort by our applications. And under here, we want to go to show system apps. Okay. Now, when we show the system apps, you can see I went from like 100 apps to 483. Then go to search on the search on the top and go to system. And we want to type in system UI. It might be a little bit different for your phone, but here's system UI right here. So if you couldn't find it before, this is where it is. And we can just force stop it right there. So if there's any kind of like error, hopefully force stopping it will fix it. Go to storage as well and clear the cache. Now, a lot of times this is what fixes what's going on. Now, also we can go on over to settings and going down to device care down here. So let's go to device care, and then we can go on down to memory and just close any kind of background apps you may have on your phone right now, and this will close it down. Now under here I do want to show you this section. On my Samsung A16 I only have like 2 gigabytes of memory by default. I had to go to RAM Plus right here, and I was able to extend the amount of memory on my phone. So just look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.